can make it if we try. Only if we try. Hold your head up, hold it tight. Got to hold it tight. Journey on and never stop. We can make it to the top. We can make.
Jamaicans are known internationally for their sports prowess across the world. And today we have with us a group, Deaf Sports Jamaica, who will be heading to Bulgaria next month for their first ever Olympics. We indeed are looking forward to hear just how they're doing this. For the first time in Jamaica's history, we have a contingent of deaf athletes who will be heading to the 22nd Deaf Olympics in Sofia, Bulgaria. All this was made possible by the initiation of Deaf Sports Jamaica, headed by President Kevin MacDonald.
How we got invited to that was we did our own research, and then they wrote us and said, we can accommodate you to participate in the Deaf Olympics, and they were really excited about that, so we're working really hard because that would be the first experience.
Deaf Sports Jamaica is the governing sports body for the deaf in Jamaica. Started officially in 2010, it's recognized by the Ministry of Sports and has the authority to host sports competitions at all levels for the deaf in Jamaica. Its flagship event to date is the annual National Sports Day. But how did this organization start?
We set up a steering committee and we invited different people to be involved, from the Jamaica Association for the Deaf.
But when the group contacted the International Committee for Deaf Sports, they discovered someone else had already set up a local body.
And his name was Peter Kavanagh. And we made contact with him and we invited him to the meetings, and that's where it started. And now we're merged together and we have one organization.
The organization's athletes have participated in a number of local and international meets. Chief among these is the 2013 UTEC Classics locally, and internationally, the World Deaf Athletic Championship in Canada, held in July 2012.
We didn't win any medals, but I believe that we brought a beautiful history to Jamaica, knowing that we are the first deaf Jamaicans who participated in that. That is history in an international game.
The team is now looking to make history again on their sojourn to the Deaf Olympics game dubbed Deaflympics in Bulgaria this summer. As with any group of sportsmen and women, there are challenges, as their coach explains.
Fine so far, but they need to come out more often.
Coach Sutar, who has worked with deaf athletes for over 20 years and has been training the Deaf Sports Jamaica athletes for the past 6 months, expresses his desire for the team.
I'm told that there's a deaf circuit where the deaf go regularly and compete with other international deaf athletes. And I'm hoping that we'll reach there where we're on that circuit.
Deaf Sports Jamaica is not only engaged in athletics, but other sports such as football and basketball. But how do some of the top athletes feel about the movement?
It's going well, I'm enjoying it, and I continue to come to training often. And I don't miss any training at all. Last year, with the Canadian Athletic Championships, I came 4th, and in the 200-meter 5th, and in the relay 5th. For this year, I'm hoping to win. I'm hoping to beat Bolt record. We'll see. I'm gonna try. Training is hard, but I'm ready. I've qualified for the Olympics, the Deaf Olympics already. I'm really happy about being a part of deaf sports because I want the world to see that deaf people can run. I'm hoping to do my best and don't be nervous and just continue doing what I do best, which is running.
Major sponsors for the team to the Olympics are the Ministry of Sports and the Sports Development Foundation. While sponsorship is critical, the team is also making an appeal to Jamaica for greater inclusion.
Honestly, we need to tell them that we need a lot of competition because it's our first time and we're not getting a lot of competition because we're deaf. We want more exposure. We want deaf athletes to be involved in all track invitationals. For example, if they have a local or international event, allow us to participate. With our trip going to Bulgaria, it will be making history, and that will be the best way they can help us possible.
We can make it if we try. Only if we try. Hold your head up, hold it tight. Got to hold it tight. Journey on and never stop. We can make it to the top.
Great things happening here at Deaf Sports Jamaica. No doubt we're looking for great accomplishments from this group. For Sports Spotlight, I'm Tamara McHale.